2 weeks ago, I posted this video on this very channel, and right now people are making a lot of money for themselves using that particular platform. No investment needed. All you have to do is just to come to your dashboard every day, click on a button, sign in, and you make money. Very easy. So do you want to learn how? Stick around to the end of this video and I'll show you the step-by-step method on how to do it. This platform is a free platform. It is not just a platform, it is an airdrop. And I have posted this many times on this channel. I posted a video once, but if you go to my posts, just scroll to the description section, go to my post, you will see that I have posted it 2 good times. And the airdrop, they have done their first airdrop and their second airdrop is also coming. But in this video, I'm also going to make a live withdrawal. I'm going to show you the step-by-step method on how to do everything, both the withdrawal, both the invitation, and all that. Before we get started with this very video, look at that section. That section I'm pointing right now. You will see a black button saying subscribe. Click on it. Have you done that? Now that you have done that, click on the bell showing beside it. You will see all. Click on it and you'll be able to receive every notification from this channel and to receive more updates like this. So before that, let's look into the airdrop. Their first airdrop was on May 1st. If you look at this picture right now, this section, it says FI airdrop round 2 is coming soon. To thank the Efsane community for its support, FI Chain will officially launch the second round of airdrops, rewarding loyal users and achieving a win-win for all. Then the airdrop details. The start time is immediately upon FI reaching $1, and right now FI is above $1. FI is currently $1.2 at the moment. Then the airdrop amount from 1 to 100 FI per user. Then the total airdrop pool, 5 million FI. The estimated value is $5 million. So if you go to the right side, you will see the eligibility requirements only available to registered Efsane users. Then the task 1, follow the FI Chain's official Twitter or Telegram. Then the task 2, check in on Efsane platform for at least 3 consecutive days. The longer you check in, the more you receive. So below here, as you can see, says FI is about to break the $1 mark. Don't miss the huge opportunity. This up part, you will see it says FI Chain and Efsane, then which means FI Chain and Efsane, they are in collaboration. This section that says FI is about to break the $1 mark, that was when FI was still 0.8, 0.9, but as at the time of shooting this video, FI was 1.2 USDT. So that was the first airdrop. And let's go back to the second picture I have over here. As you can see, it says the second round of FI airdrop will be officially distributed on the evening of May 1st. Do you want to participate? Just complete the 2 tasks. The 2 tasks were those tasks I read at that first image I showed you. So now this airdrop has passed. So right now they have another airdrop coming up on May 5th. And if you check on your screen right now, you will see the picture I'm also showing you. It says the 3rd round of airdrop starts next Monday, May 5th, and the airdrop token is PEP. Eligible users who have checked in on Efsane for 3 consecutive days. So which means the first airdrop was sponsored by FI Chain and the second airdrop is sponsored by PEP. So can you believe this is an airdrop? People are just receiving free money and you are still wasting time on this platform. You are not trying at all. Rush now, go to the video description, click on the link, register on this platform, start making free money for yourself, because these people are just distributing free money and they have more airdrops coming every week. The first week was FI and Efsane, the second week is PEP and Efsane. So the next week we won't know. Maybe the next week might be Bitcoin and Efsane. Your time to eat free Bitcoin. So do well to go and register now. Go to the video description, comment section, click on the link, register. So in this video, I'm showing you a live withdrawal of 70 USDT plus on this very platform Efsane. That's how I'm just making free money for this platform. So do well to join this platform now and make free money for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with friends so more people will benefit from this amazing free opportunity. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and I'll be available to respond to them as fast as possible. And also, I'll bring to your notice that anytime you see a red cross sign showing before the title of any video, it means that the platform no longer pay. I have said this in all my videos and I'll keep on saying it. This is to ensure transparency and to avoid wastage of time. And I would like to drop a disclaimer that all the videos I make here, don't take it as financial advice. Everything I make on this channel is for educational purposes only. Don't take any of them as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. None of these platforms were created by me, neither do I know who created them, but I'm just here to share with you some tips to make money for yourself online. So don't forget to carry on the necessary requirements I've just said on this video and let us get started. Looking at my screen over here, I currently have 70.382131 USD over here, and if you scroll down you are going to see that I currently have 5,400 worth of gem token and I have 62.49 C5739 worth of 5 token, which is equivalent to 69.5 USDT. So right now I'll be placing a live withdrawal in this video, and this is the second video I am making in which I'm making a live withdrawal. So you already know the step-by-step method. Just click on flash swap, and on this section you'll be able to swap from FI to USDT. So now I'm swapping from FI to USDT. I'll just click on maximum and then click on confirm, and once I click on confirm, the swap is going to be successful. So I'll just go back. So now that the swap is successful, as you can see, my balance has changed, because when you are swapping cryptocurrency it will liquidate. So right now the next thing I'm going to do is just click on the withdraw button over here. If I click on withdraw button, I'll click on maximum, which is the amount I want to withdraw. Then the receiving blockchain is Ethereum. Then here I'll paste my wallet address over here, and as you can see, the handling fee over here is 1 USDT, and I'll be receiving 67 USDT. And right now I'll just click on confirm button, and I'm going to verify something. So all I have to do is just to click on get verification code, and the captcha is going to be solved. And after the captcha is solved, a verification code will be sent to my phone number immediately. Now that I've successfully inputted the verification code in the box, I'll just click on the confirm button for my withdrawal to be successful. And as you can see, showing over here, withdrawal submitted successful. So let us wait patiently for the withdrawal to drop. Look up here and check the time. This is 9:21, and let us wait patiently and check when the withdrawal is going to arrive into my crypto wallet. I have successfully confirmed the withdrawal of 67.8745 USDT in my crypto wallet, and you can check over here, check the time that the withdrawal landed. So you have to go and leverage on this platform right now to make free money for yourself. Hope you just saw that live withdrawal of 70 USDT. Isn't that massive? Make free money for yourself. This platform is free. This airdrop is free. I just keep calling it a platform, sorry. So make free money for yourself from this platform. So don't forget what I said. If you want to get started, click on the link in the video description, register an account, start making free money for yourself before the round 2 of the airdrop comes. So this is the registration page of this platform. If you scroll down, you're going to see more information about this platform. As you can see over here, this is the 5 chain listing airdrop that was on April 26th, and you'll be seeing more news about them. If you want to also know more about them, you can go over to the section that says news. Once you go over to that section, you'll be able to see more details and news and daily news about them. As you can see over here, seeing daily check-in reward, login daily, get 400 gem daily, new users remove 2000 gem after 2 consecutive days. It will be automatically unlocked. So basically, read everything over here for you to know how this platform works. So for you to get started, just come over to this section, click on this, change your country code, input your phone numbers, click on this, they'll send the verification code, leave the invitation code the way it is, enter your password, confirm again, and after that click on the registration button and your account will be created successfully in this platform. Once you successfully created an account on this platform, you'll be brought to this interface. So I'll be explaining to you what all these buttons over here mean. So the first button I'll be explaining is this section that says personal center. So if you go back to that section, you'll be able to see this is the home page of the platform. So right here, this is your UID, and me, I've already edited mine. So this is my name, then this is my logo, which is Cash Shop. If you scroll down, all I want to tell you is that every single day, click on this sign in button and you'll be getting more gems for yourself, in which in the future the gem is going to make
a better difference according to what they said in their platform, and every day this will be increasing. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing all your signing records of gem every single day. If you go over to this section that says transaction record, you will see basically all the transactions you have made in this platform. As you can see over here, this is 67.87 USDT in which I withdrew in the beginning of this video, and it's showing right there. So if you come back to this menu and click on spot account, you will see this section that's showing you your balance. So if you scroll there, I would see that I have 5,700 gem, but right now gem is no longer convertible according to what they said in their platform, but gem will soon be convertible. And the platform and the token that is rising right now is the 5 token. Every single day the 5 token is rising. So this section that says deposit, you'll be able to deposit an account on this platform, but I'll just tell you to remove this section from your mind. There's no need of depositing the platform. This is a free platform. Then you click on withdraw. I'm going to be able to place a withdraw as I showed you. If you click on transfer, you'll be able to transfer money, to transfer gems from your own account to another user's account. Maybe your friend doesn't have a lot of gems to withdraw, you transfer to him with his UID. Then click on flash swap. You're able to swap your token according to how I showed you at the beginning of this video. If you come back to this menu, you see section that says tax center. You're going to see what you can do to make money for yourself. This is the new user registration which you'll be receiving. Then this is the daily check-in you receive every day. Lucky draw betting. You have to use your gems and bet, make some bets, and you'll be getting more. But it's a win-win. You can win, you can lose. So it's not advisable to do that. If you click on invitation reward, you'll be able to invite your friends to make more money for yourself. This is your invitation link, this is your invitation code. So once you copy that, you share it to friends. If you scroll, they're going to see how you can make money while inviting your friends. Then this section that says over BBC, you'll be able to see the number of friends you have invited to this platform. So once you invite, as you can see where I'm currently making gems as I have invited people to this platform. If you call back to the section that says system notification, you'll be getting latest updates and news about this platform. As you can see where this is the website announcement, this is system notification, which you'll be getting notified anytime there's an upgrade in the platform. If you scroll down and click on lucky draw here, you'll be able to use your money and make some bets, but right now it's going to load too much, so I won't be making any bets on this video. So if you go over the section that says change password, you'll be able to change your password in case you encounter any problem in the platform. So input your old password, your new password, and confirm your new password, and after that click on change password and your password will be changed successfully. If you go over the section that says account security, you'll be able to see your phone number, but you won't be able to change it. So if you scroll down and click on this your profile icon, if you click on that, you're going to see the personal setter. If you scroll down, go to this section that says log out. So if you click on log out, you'll be able to log out of this platform. If you click on this section, this is their customer care service, WhatsApp, Telegram, and SMS message. If you click on this, you also be able to join their WhatsApp group or their Telegram channel. If you click on this section that says news, quotes, ranking, community, you're going to see latest updates. News is where you'll be seeing the latest update about the platform. The quotes is where you'll be seeing the changes in the cryptocurrency, both Bitcoin, Ethereum, Fi, and so on. If you click on ranking, you'll be able to see the increased list, top losers, top trade, new listing, exchange 24H listing, and so if you click on community, able to come to this section where people are posting things and you'll be able to follow anyone you feel like following.
I have explained everything about the platform in this very video, so it just left for you to leverage on the platform right now to make money for yourself. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it with friends, so more people are going to be able to benefit from this free airdrop. I will sign out for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe. I'll keep on saying it. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Free updates are drops there every single day. So videos are not made for every of them. So I would like to see you in my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. I'll see you there. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep creating your own cash creation clan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.